Deep inside Bangalore National Park lies the Bangalore Rehabilitation Center, a lifeline for India's wild inhabitants. At first light, the rescue team moves like silent shadows. A purple heron stranded in the lake's center. Feathers heavy with water, eyes dimmed by exhaustion. Gentle hands reach out. Cradling the bird's quivering form as hope flickers in its chest. At the shore, they carefully cut the torn sari from the heron's beak, then carry it straight to the rescue center for detailed checkup and observation. Moments later, a lone peacock wanders into a schoolyard, its brilliant plumage dulled by fear. As calm voices guide it, a soft blanket wrapping its beating heart until trust blooms in its bright eyes. Back at the center, volunteers arrive at dawn, painting animal cages in bright hues, bringing fresh color to each enclosure. Caretakers stand by chopping fruits and vegetables, preparing wholesome feed with quiet care. In the extra care units, civet cat kittens nestle under warm lamps, their tiny hearts racing toward health. In the holding blocks, monkeys rediscover play, parakeets perch on sunlit branches, kites stretch in flight cages, each finding sanctuary as strength returns. In the modest surgery suite, veterinarians stand shoulder to shoulder. They remove a cruel fishing hook, suture a snake's slashed scales, treat a lapwing's infected eye, and nurse a black kite's broken wing. Each precise movement a vow, you will heal. Days later, the gates swing open, one by one. They slip into the wild, a jungle cat melting into the underbrush, a terrapin sliding into clear water, the purple heron lifting into open skies, freedom tasting like dew, like wind, like life. Beyond the fences, the team carries hope into schools. Conducting awareness programs on wildlife conservation, teaching why every creature matters. Here at Bangalore Rehabilitation Center, compassion meets expertise. One rescue, one release, one heartbeat at a time.